ancestrals. Dead clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest.
Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Woo!
There's no need for that. That's enough for today. You probably have.
Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Let's go! Woo-hoo! Woo! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Woo!
Arthur warned me about those bikes.
Yeah!
Take Ollie into it.
Oh!
Just hang on. Oh, don't mind coffee. His barks are worth it, his points. No, don't panic.
Woo-hoo! Uh-oh!
Power.
Oh!
I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at Matty.
Oh!
Oh, crikey. You're tangled in devil's snare.
Uh-oh.
Repeat. Lumos Solen after me.
Oh, no!
Solen.
Ah!
That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted.
Woo!
Now, hit those purple buttons.
Oh, yeah! Woo! Oh!
Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Pixie, Scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.
Woo!